You ever print a big print job and all of a sudden you start getting white lines through those nice, pretty big color copies that you're making? Well, today I'm going to go through and show you how to correct that by cleaning your drum lenses on a VersaLink C7000 series copy machine. All right, first thing you want to do to get those cleaned is you want to open that front cover up right here, and then inside is your waste toner container. So you want to unlock it by turning the orange latch counterclockwise. And then on the top, there's two little tabs. You'll press those down and you'll roll that waste container out of the way. Now inside here is a orange rod on the front cover of the machine. Grab that orange rod and roll it out of its home, and on top of it you'll see there's three little felt squares. It has a U-shaped rod that goes in right where there's the orange sticker with the three black dots. There's four of them, one for each drum. Take that rod, it lays right in that little black trough looking area. You'll insert that rod all the way to the rear and back out again. Do that about 3 times to ensure that the lenses get cleaned properly. And you'll want to continue that for each one of the colors. Now, when you're done, take your orange rod and you want to replace it back into the front cover. Take the end and you'll put it in to its hole and roll that rod back up and under its little white clip in the middle. Once you do that, you're good to go ahead and reinstall your waste toner container. Set the bottom in first and roll it in at the top. Give it a good little push, let the two latches lock in place, and then relock, and then close your front cover, and you're done. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.